Hello everyone, so I'm finally making a vlog after a long time, and today me and Balki are going to the Sakura festival. So I went there last year as well, but this time what's different is it is a sunny day for once in a long time, and like this time we are going on time, so we'll be actually able to see the events that are going to happen there. So I'll show that to you, so see you there. Here we have Balki, and we just missed our bus which comes really close to our dorm, and now we have to walk to like another bus station. So we just reached and the bus is here. Lucky us, I guess. And now we leave to the Lungu station. So now we are at the Mamokirkan station, and we have to walk towards the cherry blossoms, and this part always amazes me. It just amazed Balki, if you heard it. So we found this shop on our way to the Cherry Blossoms Festival, and it's mostly closed whenever I come here, but this time there are a lot of things, and this is a random box of things, and everything inside is 50 kronas, and Balki and me are looking through it now. Then there are like these plates. These are the prices, and we'll go inside and check what's inside. There are these small plates as well, and glasses which are just for 20 kronas per glass. And Balki got himself a cuffling. Cufflinks, or are they brooch?
No, a brooch.
A brooch. In a... Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
It looks really good.
Yeah. So we have finally reached to the garden where the Sakura festival goes on, and starting with the flowers already. There is a huge crowd of people, and seems that it's going to be worth it. It's still sunny, so that's nice. And from here you can finally start seeing kind of like the sakura trees, and we are walking towards there. And on our way while coming here we found Vaishnavi as well. Starting with this beautiful fountain, and we are walking towards, and as you can see, like the cherry blossoms are already here, but we are going a bit more inside for the events, and there's also some food we can try, and there are stalls which we can visit, so we are going there right now. And there is a lot of people, and you can see the cosplays. Like people are cosplaying so well. Balki, do you see that?
Yes.
It's crazy the amount of people that have cosplayed here, and that guy with the spear, it looks amazing. Balki is talking to him right now, so to take a picture with him or just holding the spear. Right now we are at the shopping stalls. There is a lot of crowd over here also, but as you can see there are some bonsai trees there, and then there's like painting stuff and other things like souvenirs to take over here. So we are at the shop, and Balki is trying to get the ball on. almost. oh. Now Rucha is going for a try.
And a lot of power.
ये देखो इंजीनियर्स कौन सी मोशन
ऊपर तो आ रहा है ना ज्यादा मत
Okay, Balki is trying to draw a bow. Nice. I hope Balki did not broke it though. Okay, now Balki is getting taught that he should not have done that. Me and Balki have been waiting in a line to get into this place where they are selling figurines and keychains, and there's the...
Look at that.
there's the Akatsuki like hoodie or something, and we are just waiting to get in right now. There's all of these stuffs inside. There's these keychains, and Palki's getting this Luffy keychain.
Yes.
And there's this Luffy figurine right over here. We are done looking at the shops. Now we are going downstairs for the events and the food. And Balki has spent till now how much?
120 kronas.
120 kronas. And what have you bought?
One keychain and one brooch.
Okay. The huge crowd here is bizarre.
It's better we already set up friends.
Like
beforehand.
ahead in the
Just
line.
join the line now.
Yeah. We just get in the lines. The food stalls have huge lines, and then there is like these places like which have like Japanese snacks. There's the Kit Kat, Japanese version of Kit Kat, strawberry shortcake.
The line is really
Okay.
green tea.
Vaishnav is trying matcha ice cream, and there are these places over here, and I'm thinking of taking the matcha latte, and Balki is taking the matcha ice cream, and we are gonna share. We have taken the matcha latte. Show me the red bean pancake. So Balki broke it, and when I said I wanted to take it in a vlog, so he joined it again, and now Balki is gonna try it. Yeah, try it.
okay. Jam cake, basically.
Oh,
Jam and cake.
Jan pancake. Okay. We are getting dango from this place, but they are sold out of one of them, and one is licorice, and we don't want to try something sour. So not sour, but licorice has a weird taste which I don't like. So we are trying the classic and the matcha dango. So this is the classic dango, and Balki has got the matcha dango,
Matcha dango.
and we are gonna try it now. Balki, you wanna try ours first?
Yep.
Going for the bite.
Just stuck. Oh. Weird.
Weird taste.
Weird.
Texture wise, chewy texture. I think so. It's supposed to have a chewy texture. Yes. I'll try the classic dango now.
Yeah.
Yeah. How's that? And of course the chewy thing, but the syrup and it goes well together.
Nice.
So from the Anderson Bakery, we have taken pizza teriyaki, the sunrise, and a salmon sandwich. And now we are going to sit somewhere and
cherry
gonna have it under the cherry blossoms. Yes. So the first item we are trying is the pizza teriyaki, and it looks nice.
It's cold.
Ah, that's sad, man.
But the taste is okay.
Taste is okay. Okay.
Japan from Obon, which is a Buddhist festival in honor of one's departed ancestors. It's usually celebrated in the middle of our hot August in Japan. Originally, the dances were held to console the departed.
Second thing we are trying is the salmon sandwich while watching the flute dance, which is going to be performed in some time. Salmon sandwich.
For this reason, we'll only be on the stage for
Doesn't look the best expression ever. It isn't. Okay. Balki doesn't like it. So I'm not sure about it now.
मेरे तमेरे तारों अकामात सा मेरे 一山二山宮
And this is the sunrise bun.
Let's taste.
Let's hope it is nice. Okay, something Balki likes. Finally,
This is sweet.
a sweet bun. Yes. So from the sticks and sushi shop, I have taken the Sukune right here, and right now I'm going to Balki because he's standing in a really huge line, and we are gonna share this. Balki had it first bite, and he looks mesmerized.
Good. Nice.
Yeah, finally, like something, and it actually looks nice. Balki finally got out of the line, and he got the onigiri.
Onigiri. Zoro style. Whoa. Whoa.
It's nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. Damn, I wanna try it now. Yeah, boy. Slowly, the Sakura festival is turning into a food vlog because now we are trying the. What is this?
This is chicken shrimps.
Chicken shrimps. So this is take 2 cause Balki just called this chicken shrimps, but this is basically
teriyaki
fried
shrimps.
shrimps and
Yes.
chicken gyozas, and this is with like the
Teriyaki-
sweet chili
this is
sauce,
sweet chili
and
sauce, and
this
that
is
is
the
teriyaki
teriyaki sauce. Yes. First bite. First bite.
Oh my god.
Oh,
We should have come here, man.
yeah. We should have started with you, I guess.
We missed everything. What would you even eat there?
Now we are eating good. Eating good.
Try this.
Chicken gyozas. This is nice. We should actually come here first. But this is amazing. Crazy. So we are finally done with the Sakura festival. Now we are heading home. Balki, how was the experience?
Crazy food, man. We missed the main parts, but
But we,
overall good.
we eventually went there.
Yeah, we eventually went there, but yeah, it was really good. Really good.